What's going on, guys? Operation Moon here with another video. Just want to start off by saying thank you for the support on my last video. We smashed it. I'm above 500 subs. The goal was 500 by the end of June. We're currently sitting at 550, so that's unreal. Really appreciate the support. Now, I did say there'd be a giveaway once I hit 500, so in order to be eligible for that, just subscribe, and I'm going to randomly pick a subscriber in my next video. So in today's video, it's just a quick update on Shib. Look at the price, we'll look at some articles that have come out and just the overall market. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, the market is red. Now there has been a massive sell-off on Bitcoin. You can see the market cap is down 1.3 trillion, so 3.8%. Over the last week, BTC is down 18%, so that affects everything. Now, Doge is down 20%. So it had a massive dip, which is quite interesting. Now, we look at Shiba, only 10% at the moment. So that's good, down 5.3% over the course of the week compared to a 37% over the course of the week. Now, jump across into Shiba, and as you can see, we hit the low down here and it got bought all the way back up. Like this time frame here, from the very bottom to the top is about 3 hours. And in that 3-hour period, about $150 million trading. So it got bought right back up. People saw that as a discount. So, hey, if you got in, congratulations. If not, there'll be other opportunities to enter. Now, wanted to create some hype here. So Eric Sykes basically said, buy Shib now. Shiba swap is inevitable. Robinhood is inevitable. Coinbase is inevitable. Gains are inevitable. Completely agree. This thing is going to absolutely explode once all of these are happening. So keep an eye out for that. Today it was a discount to Shiba, and Shiba really is the Doge killer. Now, another Reddit post here is from a few days ago, but it's quite interesting. It's Binance just bought another 8 trillion coins. Crypto.com has been buying all day, and even Sam Bankman-Fried has almost 9 trillion from FTX. Watch Etherscan, guys. The whales are buying big. They know Shiba is bigger and has more users than Uniswap and PancakeSwap. They know Shiba is far more decentralized than most coins, including Doge, Uni, and Cake. We are a superior community and coin in so many ways. For this, we shall be rewarded. Diamond Hand Gang always wins in the end. If we haven't won, it's not the end. So an interesting post there. Now, little comment here from JV Fran. When Binance did this for BTT, I 10x'd my money. So this is definitely a good sign. So just creating some hype in the community now. Shib didn't really get impacted as much as a lot of other tokens now. So obviously if there's more whales, or in this case, billionaires are buying this token, it leads you to believe that there is a lot of growth that will still happen with this token over the course of the next few weeks, months, years, whatever it may be. Now, just a comparison here to Doge. This is the difference between Shib and Doge. Now, I haven't been a fan of Doge for a while now. There's a lot of reasons why, but it seems like the general public don't realize that there's, a small percentage people own the majority of Doge. This is a good article. So basically 100 people control Doge's entire $46 billion market cap. Like, people don't know that. It's just been a meme. Elon tweets about it. People buy in thinking, oh, it's all well and good. So basically, to break it down, 65% of Dogecoins are distributed among just 98 wallets across the world, while one single wallet holds 28%. Let's jump back here real quick. Now, we're looking at $26 billion market cap right now. Now, obviously, it was a lot higher previously, but 28% of that is owned by one individual. I believe it's worth about $8 billion now, but at the peak back in May, I think it was $24 billion or something. And it's a mysterious, nobody knows who this individual is. And we'll touch on another article about that. But just 5 wallets control 40% of the coin supply. Essentially, around 100 people control the entire $46 billion Doge market. So at the point in time of this article, it was $46 billion. The point is, 100 people control the entire market. I've always kind of thought of it as a bit of a scam coin. Yes, I understand that people have made profits from it. It just doesn't interest me. So I do a few checks before I invest in a token, and one of them is check the largest holders. And now Doge has been a red flag for forever. The fact that one individual or, person, business, whatever it may be, one wallet holds 28% of something that had a 46, $50 billion market cap just doesn't sit well with me. At any point they can sell, dump the market. Everyone loses their money. All the people that bought in because of Musk. So it's just just wanted to point out the difference. If for those of you who were not aware about this, which surprisingly a lot of people are not aware. So I'll post a link to that. But this is another article here where a mysterious Dogecoin whale who owns 210 billion worth just bought 420.69 more coins. So this is the largest wallet holder. Now, this is the one where it's worth about $8 billion. They haven't, I believe that's stayed like that for years. They haven't made many transactions. 2019 is the time that they accumulated it. But recently they've made a transaction for 420.69. So basically this one will sum it up here. Investors have been pondering for months who or what is behind the Doge wallet. The address could belong to an individual, a market maker, or an exchange, though the nod to the meme numbers 420 and 69 hint that a person who is in on the joke is making the purchases. Now, it's crazy, like an $8 billion wallet in Doge, 28% of it. So that's why Shib is not only that, but the utility of Shib, it just makes it a far superior token in my opinion. But we're going to jump into the price here as well. So looking at the BTC dump on the charts here, we can see it started up at this point here and we had a good 13%, in the last few hours alone. So the last day we've had a 13% dip. Obviously over the last 48 hours it's a lot more, but a bit of a bounce back. So we've bounced back off this 31,100 zone. And we are already on the way up and up. So basically where we are now is a 5% increase. We jump across to Shib and have a look at it here. And it's the same thing. So we started here, but the lowest point, yes, it was a 25%. But if we go to the bottom of this wick, it's still 22%. Bottom of the candle, sorry. Now, if we once again go from this point back up, we saw a buyback of 15% straight away. A little sell off now, but we're sitting at a 10% buyback in a matter of hours of the dip. So it's really promising. I do think there's a lot of people continuing to buy. I mean, you can see the volume along the bottom here. Look at the size of this. Obviously, it got sold off, but that was the first point when it tried to dip low and it got bought. So very promising stuff. Still bullish on this in the long run, but it was just a quick update here today. I know it's red on the market, but overall, still bullish, still green. So believe in this idea. If you like the content, hit that sub button, drop a like, and comment below that you are a part of the Shib army. Peace.